Okay, so in the car, ignition on, master switch on, number 1 fuel pump on, the engine is stone cold, so you can see I've not started it. It's absolutely cold. No choke. Fuel gauge is down here. He told me this fuel gauge, this battery gauge, this oil gauge temperature is not connected, but the battery is the correct one and the fuel gauge. Show you inside the engine bay. As you can hear, it's stone cold, but running very, very sweet. Not bad for a stone cold engine, eh? And there you go. There you have it. A very nice prepared car. Cheers, Glenn.